Alright, guys. I had to make a video because my mom was yelling at me, so. Whatever. She's mean. My mom's really mean, so let's don't worry about it. But we got these Hollywood Stars dog treats. Skin and Coke family. And then that. And that. And then the stuff that came in it. It says real chicken ingredients and no real sugar treats. Let's see what they look like inside. Oh, they're probably big. Cocoa for real? And this was only for $1, so this smells like bacon. But they look like this. It's like a little origami, but let's give Coco one. And let's get one from the box. No, Coco, you're not gonna have another one. And then give Fatty one. Let me move the camera. There you go. Here you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. And I don't know how much are in here, but there's many of them in there. See them? They look like little poops in them. You close it like this. You can open it like this. You open it like, damn it. You open it like that, and you close it like that. Let's put these away. This is where we put them away. I'll stop jumping the ice cream thing. So put them in here. Alright. Alright. That's the view of the dog treat thing. Okay, bye.